Welcome back to Linux Fundamentals. In the last video, I introduced you to the VI editor. So in this video, we will see the working of VI editor. I will demonstrate you how to start VI editor and how to work with VI editor. So we discussed the three modes of VI editor. So when you start with VI editor, it will initially start in the command mode. Then you can execute any of these commands to insert your text or data or do whatever operations you want to do in the insert mode. So you need to enter into the input mode where you type certain characters, that is certain commands, and that will help you, that will allow you to input some data into your file. So we enter into the input mode. Then to come out of the input mode, we press the escape key, and if you want to save your file, so you need to go to the execute mode. So we talked about these three modes in the last video. So in this video, I will demonstrate you all these steps, how to start a VI editor, how to enter into the input mode, and so on. So here there are various commands that we need to use with VI editor. So the input commands, like, so if you want to insert the data, insert the text into your editor, then you make use of I and small a. So I will allow you to insert the text to begin with. A will allow you to append. So small a. Capital I will allow you to input the text at the beginning. Capital A will allow you to input the text or the append the text at the end of the line. Capital I will allow you to enter the text at the beginning of the line. Then you can, if you want to move to the next line, you want to open a new line, you want to start a new line, you use small o. So small o will open the line below the current line. Capital O will open the line above the current line. Then you can also have replacing text. So if you want to replace some text with something else, we use small r, small s, capital R, capital S. So these are the characters that we use for working with our file in the VI editor. So we will see how to use these commands. So let's move to the demonstration, and I will show you how to use VI editor with these commands. So now this is our Linux machine, and now here we will see how to use VI editor. So to start with VI editor, we type the command VI and the name of the file. So I provide the file name, say new file.txt. Now VI the file name and enter. So now here you can see the file name has been provided, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the name of the file, and you can see the tilde signs. So this is what means that these are the lines that are empty lines. And now the VI editor is in the command mode. So from command mode, now we need to enter to the input mode. So we type some command I. So I will take you to the input. So we saw there are few set of commands that show you small I, small a, capital I, capital A, small o, capital O. So we'll try and execute these commands, what these commands mean. So now we will enter into the input mode by pressing I. So I am already into the input mode. So now here we can start typing the content. So this is the input mode. So once you type your data, now you will have to save your file. So for saving the file, we need to come out of the input mode, and again we need to be there in the command mode. So to come out of the input mode, we press the escape key on the keyboard, and you'll see the cursor starts blinking, and that is what is the command mode. Now I type colon, and the colon at the bottom of the screen, you will see the colon appears, and to save the file I type W. So W means write. So whatever contents you type, that should get saved into the file. So W will write the file and it will show you that it has written 24 characters, one line. In this way you can provide the input to your files. Now to come out of this or to quit the VI editor, again we type the command in the execute mode. So colon and Q. Colon Q will quit you from the VI editor and it will bring you to the command prompt. Now let's see what was being written into our file. So the cat command, we can see the content, and this is what that is there in the file. Now I will try to open a file that has more content. So I already have a file named output, so that has more content. So let's see how we can use these commands there. So small I, capital I, small a, capital A. So if you see the small I and small a, it will start the text by shifting the text from the cursor location. Capital I will allow you to insert the text at the beginning of the line. Capital A will allow you to insert the text at the end of the line. So let's have a look at it. So now I will open the file VI output, and this is the file. So you can see the file. We saw the use of small I, so now it is in the command mode. So the moment you press small I, it will take you to the input mode and you can start typing your content in the file. You can press the enter key to go to the new line. Now say I want to start from the end of the line. So you press the escape key, and once you press the escape key, now you are in the command mode. So if you want to start from the end of the line, so we use capital A. So the moment you type capital A, the cursor will be shifted to the end of the line and you can start typing from the end of the line. So I want to insert a new line above the cursor. So again I press the escape key to go to the command mode and I press small o. So small o will insert a new line below the cursor, not above the cursor. So below the cursor you will see the small o inserts a new line and automatically you get the input mode. So the moment you type O, you will be taken to the input mode. Right. Now I want to insert something above the line. So I press escape and come back to the command mode and I press shift O. So I will insert a line above the cursor. So this line inserted above the cursor. So this was how you insert your text into the file using small I, small a, capital I, capital A. Now I escape from this. So these are the commands. So these are the commands that we just saw: small I, small a, capital A, small o, capital O. Now if you want to replace certain characters, some certain text, so small r will replace the single character, small s will replace one character with many, capital R will replace text on the right side of the cursor position, and capital S will replace the entire line irrespective of the cursor position. So let's see how these commands work. So again we need to come to the command mode and say I want to replace this full stop with something else. So I use the small r and I can replace I. So now small r allows you to replace only one character. So for example, we'll just move further, and here you see about. I wanted to have insert above the cursor. So I want to replace this u with b. So I say small r and b. So only one cursor, only one character will be replaced by r. Suppose I want to replace the entire word. So I go here and let's see what is the. So replaces one character with many. So small s. So now I want to replace the above with the correct word. So I press S in the insert mode. So now we need to go to the command mode. So I press escape and S, and you can start replacing. So the one character will be replaced by many. So you can see the text after the cursor is shifting to the right, but new characters are getting inserted. So this is how the S works. Again, to come out of this, press the escape key. Then you have capital R and capital S. So again the escape key. We are in the command mode. Now I press capital R and start typing. You'll see all the characters to the right are getting replaced. So capital R allows you to replace all the characters on the right side. Similarly, capital S will replace the entire line. So if you want to delete an entire line with some new thing, then you can type, then you can press capital S. So capital S will replace the entire line. Again, to come out of the input mode, press the escape key. You will be back into the command mode, and now :W for saving the file and :Q for quitting from the VI editor. So this is how we use the VI editor for editing our files. In the next video, I will show you few more commands that will help you to get a good hand on VI.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section, and also encourage us by clicking on the subscribe button. Do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos uploaded on our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Goodbye.